Pygmy hippos, though smaller than their larger relatives, are remarkable creatures that contribute significantly to their habitats. Their unique behaviors and adaptations make them essential components of the ecosystems they inhabit. These elusive animals help maintain the health of forests by dispersing seeds through their dung, promoting plant growth and sustaining the biodiversity that humans rely on for resources and ecological balance. Pygmy hippos are indicators of a healthy environment. Their presence signifies well-functioning ecosystems, which are crucial for human agriculture, clean water, and air quality. By understanding and protecting pygmy hippos, we safeguard the intricate web of life that supports human existence. Their survival is intertwined with the well-being of countless other species, including our own. Conservation efforts for pygmy hippos also benefit local communities by preserving natural resources, promoting ecotourism, and fostering sustainable development that aligns with human needs. Educating people about pygmy hippos raises awareness of the importance of every species in maintaining ecological balance. This knowledge empowers communities to take action in preserving their natural heritage. Embracing the role of pygmy hippos in our world highlights the interconnectedness of all life forms. Protecting them ensures the continued harmony and prosperity of both nature and humanity.